My name is Maxwell Worthen. I'm an industrial mechanical engineer at Kaufman Engineers. An industrial mechanical engineer is someone who designs and maintains and repairs large machines pertaining to cranes or dams or mining equipment. There's a lot of engineering that happens on on Excel sheets, or there's a lot of calculations that I could be crunching. But on other days, I could be really interacting with the clients the whole day to learn about their process or the machine, the application that I'm working on. Other days, I might be designing a 3D model. And other days, once the machine is built, I might be reviewing material test reports or construction documents. I could be on multiple projects at a time. Things could be really fast-paced, they could be slow-paced, but there's just no real typical day for us. Our job is really fluid. I think the most common skill sets that are found in mechanical industrial engineering are, a fine attention to detail, but a lot of math, science, physics especially. There's a lot of moving parts and a lot of physics concepts that are used, but especially mechanical engineering principles that have to do with materials and fatigue. Within mechanical engineering, industrial engineering is probably it's a small sliver of the pie, but it's in high demand these days. There's not very many industrial engineers, so the demand is climbing a lot of, as more generations phase out. There are really not very many schools offering more of a machine design and industrial-centered engineering. It's kind of a niche, but it's all over the place, and all the industry is either having to go overseas or find people like us to help them continue on with their processes as all these machines age. I think my learning and training at Eastern really set me up for success when applying and earning my licensure, as well as my career at Kaufman. It's really great that we could have Eastern Washington University nearby, and Gonzaga, and some others that have enough engineering capacity and training to produce industrial and mechanical engineers so we can keep our local industries thriving. If I had to describe my experience at Eastern, I would probably say solid. As a transfer student, I learned somewhere else all my regular basic skills, but Eastern's engineering program provided me a very solid foundation for my career. If I could describe my job in one word, I think it would be flexibility. That's because we have to be ready for pretty much any engineering problem that walks through our door. It may be that doesn't fall into our skill set and we have to pass it off, but we're ready and willing to learn new things to best serve the client. Designing something well is something that's very rewarding in my line of work. We get to actually go out and see the job or the machine that we've repaired, or even the one that I've designed. I've been involved with a lot of design work, and that has really come to fruition in the last few years. It's kind of an intangible satisfaction that you get from seeing the thing that you dreamed up put into reality.